are here today at the Waterfall Glen. It's really nice out. We're like in the middle of nowhere, kind of. So let's see what we find. Taking a walk with the Gibster. Surrounded by nature.
Are you pooping? Oh, that's disgusting.
I'm not gonna record that.
No one's seeing it.
We're crossing over, guys. I'm so afraid to fall. Oh shit! Oh.
Wait.
Up here, we started off like over there where our shoes are at, and now we're like cross this way.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try getting over there now to take pictures and stuff. Hey guys, I'm having so much fun. Look. Look right there, it looks so pretty. I love nature and I really love this spot. I'm having lots of fun. I said that's so cringy, by the way, but I just really love it. It's really beautiful. Yeah, mine are neither. We made it to the top of the waterfall. Que se caigan. Like that. They're trying to come down. Look at nature. It's so beautiful.
You can walk, Bunny. That's not sliding down. I tried.
You made it. Uy, me caigo, me caigo.
Ew, all these bugs, gross.
Scared to go down there. Cause like, guys, if I fall, y'all be witnesses and y'all see the all y'all be witnesses. We out here. I'm trying to get over there, but yeah. Si me caigo, ustedes van a ver cómo me caigo.
La pinche cerveza.
Ay, this... All for those pictures. Todo por las fotos, you know? Si se cae. si se cae, se cae.
For real.
There's one over here. Oh.
Oh, like skip them, you know? That's what I want to try, like skipping. Remember? Yeah, but they're too big. Oh.
Gabby skipping a rock. What a fail.
Oh no. You're gonna hurt me.
What the heck?
This is hard.
Look, it looks so pretty. It's such a nice day out today too, which is really good because weather hasn't been that good here. So that's really
Se va a caer.
get up. So hopefully we don't. Your butt is all wet. Oh my god. Gabby peed herself, guys. Oh yeah. Oh. Trying. ¿Estás borracha o qué? Dude, it legit looks like you peed. I can't do it. I can't. I'm so.
And we go on.
Oh, I need to stop laughing because then I'm gonna trip.
The camera just
That's why I'm recording. Because if I fall.
Wait, what if I was recording? I'm pissed.
Oh, shoot. Oh, trying to copy. I already got the good content of you falling. Oh, shoot.